What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another delicious recipe with Miss Vegan. And today we're going to be doing something fun and festive again. And we're going to be making, are you ready for it? Super cute, super easy to make, Christmas tree cheese pull-apart bread. What? And all we're going to be doing, it's simple. We're going to be taking vegan-friendly biscuit dough, stuffing it with some vegan cheese, wrapping it into these cute balls, and then forming it into a Christmas tree, adding some tomatoes, some parsley, and then seasoning some vegan melted butter, and then brushing it on top and baking it to perfection. And out comes this cute Christmas tree that's edible and delicious. Enough talking, let's get started. Have it. How cute is it? Super fun. I guarantee it'll sit there and people will be too scared to eat it, but not me. I'm gonna go ahead and dig in. Let's go ahead and grab the top. Make sure it's not too hot. So inside is gonna have the cheese. You can smell it. You have a little garlic from the seasoned butter. Ooh, should we give in? Should we go? Let's go. And you can serve on the side some marinara to dip it in. Some fresh pasta sauce, whatever you like. Some tomato sauce. Yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Absolutely delicious. Something nice and warm for those cold nights. And it's super cute. Your guests will love it. I love it. I like to just look at it like a little Christmas tree. And it's one of those cute little recipes that you want to make, but sometimes you just see it and it's like, what all is involved in making that? And this, super easy, so why not give it a try? I'll go ahead and post the link for the recipe in the description below. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like, feel free to subscribe for more fun stuff coming soon. Thanks for watching. Happy holidays.